beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to a brand new video, and welcome back to Vlogmas, where I'm uploading a brand new video every single day at 6 o'clock UK time, sometimes 5 o'clock if I'm at personal training. Today we're going to be doing my Feel Unique beauty kit for August. This one is a banger, I'm not going to lie. So excited to show you what's in it. But if you are new here, I am Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, because it, honestly, I swear, it really helps out my channel. It pushes it out more in YouTube and pushes it out more to you guys as well. So thank you so much for all of the support and all the comments that you've been putting on my videos recently. I absolutely love and appreciate you all. And I've got a huge giveaway link down below. Please go into it. It includes this eyeshadow that I've got on my eyes right now. Just looks like this, a little egg one. So yeah, I think there's already a tutorial up on this. If it is, I will leave it linked down below. But let's just get straight into what is in my Feel Unique beauty kit. So if you don't know what the Feel Unique if you don't know what the Feel Unique beauty kit is, it's basically a one-off kind of bag that you can pick. It has a full list of different things that you can pick from, so you pick what you want. You get 5 deluxe samples. I'm just checking because I've got my computer loaded up at the side. It's $12.95 and it's $3.95 for shipping and handling, but you get that back as a gift voucher to shop on the website. So beforehand you used to be able to put that back in towards getting another beauty kit or getting the pick and mix one, but now it has to go towards a actual product on the website instead. But still banging, such a good thing. And it also always includes a free pouch as well. So the reason that I did this one is because I absolutely fell in love with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless foundation powder. I use this for underneath my eyes. I've got my little sample in here because I literally use it every single day. This one's in the shade Fair. I don't even know how much you get in this. Obviously it is only a small sample, but I want the big one so bad, but I didn't want to spend, like, I think it's like 30 quid. I also really want to try the airbrush bronzer as well, because I just think it's going to be just as amazing as that powder too. And I didn't want to spend 30 quid in it, so instead I could spend 15 quid, get another one, because they also still have it in the beauty kit, but also get loads of other samples to try as well. So I was like, win-win, let's do it. So obviously the first thing that I got is that Charlotte Tilbury little powder. So this is going to be a little backup one. I do have a Charlotte Tilbury mystery box reveal on my channel, so I will leave that link down below, because now my Charlotte Tilbury collection has massively grown. Like, I'm not even kidding you. I think I need to do a full face of Charlotte Tilbury because I'm just, yeah, obsessed. Haven't actually tried any of that stuff out yet as well, but it was like £140 mystery bag, like mystery box. It's a good one to watch. Go watch it. But yeah, anyways, the other one that I picked up is a Urban Decay deluxe sample. This is the 24/7 Glide On pencil in 0, which I think is just black. Or I mean, it looks like a black. I haven't actually opened this yet to have a look. I don't know if it's like maybe just a bit of a lighter black, like a not fully black, because I think per version's the fully black one. But this is what it looks like. It's a creamy, award-winning, waterproof eye pencil, and I've always wanted to try their eye pencils, and it's just never really been something that I've came around to picking up or spending the money on. But it's a really decent size as well, as you can see, like really, really good. It's got 0.8 grams in it. Let's have a little look. I mean, it looks black, but I'm guessing their per version one is probably going to be even darker. I don't even know if you can see that. Please focus on my hand. There we go. For the split second. So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. I think that's such a big size as well. The other thing that I picked up, which was one that I've seen people recommend so much. This is the Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. This is a fortifying and daily plumping booster. It says 89% mineralising water and hyaluronic acid. So this is what it looks like. I think it's a little pump. Yeah, how cute was that? It's meant to be really, really, really good. So I'm not going to open it and put it in the back of my hand until I've used up, I've used up some of my other stuff. But it's a 10ml sample, which I thought was absolutely amazing. And I think just if you paid this and just got the Charlotte Tilbury and the Urban Decay sample, I'd be absolutely buzzing. But to also get that, and I've also got a Clinique sample in here and a sponge, like, it gets even better. So the next one is a Clinique liquid eyeliner, and the reason that I got this is because I don't really have a liquid eyeliner that I'm like 100% in love with anymore. I really like the Soap and Glory one, and I think that eyeliner is perfect if you are new to eyeliner and you want to learn how to do it, because it's just, I don't know, it's just effort proof, it's foolproof. I don't know what the right words is for it, but oh my god, I don't know what the right words are for it, but it just is so good for beginners. But it's just not black, like it's not black enough. So I thought I'd try this one. This is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen, and obviously this is just in the shade black. It just looks like this. To be honest with you, this looks full size. It doesn't look like a sample. I'm guessing it is. The Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. Let's have a little... Actually, I'm not going to... Shall I open this? Yeah, let's open it. Because I'm going to want to try it soon anyway. Oh, that looks precise. So I've just done a couple little... I don't know, daft little bits in the back of my hand, like that. And it doesn't actually look that black. Let's try, like, compare it to my my Soap and Glory one, which is in my little drawer of stuff to kind of use up and what I've got open. So you can tell straight away, like, taking the lid off the Soap and Glory one and the Clinique one. The Soap and Glory one is so much fatter than the Clinique one. I think the Soap and Glory one might be blacker, you know. So that's the Soap and Glory one there, and that's the Clinique one at the top, and then the Soap and Glory one's at the bottom. Oh, I don't think it's as, the tip's loads better, but I don't think the product is darker, to be honest. We'll give it a try. It might be different on the lid, we'll see. But it says it's a pretty easy one as well, so that's what I like, because I'm not the best at liquid eyeliner, and that Soap and Glory one really helped me to learn how to do it on myself. On somebody else, I'd probably still poop myself, like what I used to do when I used to work on makeup counters, and I'd be like getting to my friends to do the liquid eyeliner, because I'd just know that I'd mess it up. And then last but certainly not least is a full size sponge, and I really wanted to try this because I've never really found a sponge that lives up to the Beauty Blender. Like, it just... Nothing is the same. The Morphe one's good, but it's just not the same. It's just not the same. It's different texture. It's just different. So I thought I'd try this one. This is the Brushworks HD Wonder Sponge. Let's whack this bad boy open. I always have loads of sponges kind of like open. Oh, it feels really hard, like the Technique one, like the Real Techniques one. Why do I keep saying stuff wrong? Oh, it's recyclable. That's good. I put it in my recycling bin. But yeah, I'm hoping that this is okay when it's wet. I just feel like nothing compares to the Beauty Blender texture, but Beauty Blender is so expensive. So pricey. But yeah, I'll give it a try and see what it's like. But for like £15, and then I get like £3.95 back of that because I paid for postage to get something else, which I'm not going to lie, I'll probably buy the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer to see what that's like, because I'm just really excited to see what it's like. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to enter my giveaway to be in the chance of winning some eyeshadow palettes and some more Revolution stuff and some other goodies as well. I love you so much. The giveaway is linked on the screen. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for a brand new video. Goodbye. Love you. Peace out.